guess what I got in the mail? I'm pretty sure this is my stay-at-home bumper box from Crochet Society. So let's go ahead and open it up. Let me see. All right. All right. Stay at home and stay crafty. This is a huge box. Oh my goodness. All right. I see something peeking out. All right. So it's not going to have our normal swoosh, but that's okay. Look at this box. All right, you ready? Wow. Oops, something fell out. For exclusive inspiration, pattern downloads, and more. So that's my passcode for my patterns. We all know that one of the most important things we can do right now is to just stay home. Every time we decide to stay home, we could be saving someone's life. So I want to help make sure your home is somewhere you're happy to be. You might notice that this month's box is a bit different. We have been hitting some hurdles because of COVID-19, so this bumper box has become your May delivery instead. I know this might not be the box you were expecting, but lots of you have been asking for bigger projects, so I seized this one-off opportunity to give you just that. I really hope you'll love it. Usually your box includes 100 to 200 grams of yarn. This month you're getting 800 grams, enough to make a really beautiful blanket, a stunning set of cushions, or a gorgeous garment. Putting this parcel together has been a fantastic example of the kindness in our community. Friends at a popular yarn company have supplied us with this super soft yarn, and the fantastic team at Knit Pro came through with the hooks. A couple of lovely British companies have made the box and project bag in record time too. I usually start planning a box about 8 months before it's shipped. This time we haven't even had 8 days. This means that there wasn't time to print your magazine or the belly bands for your yarn. So I'll be putting resources up online. Turn over to find out where to go for patterns, inspiration, and other digital goodies. I know that this is a scary time, but it's really important for you to know that you aren't alone. Make sure you've joined our Crochet Society Facebook group and stay in touch. We're all here for each other. Sarah Jane. Well, thank you, Sarah Jane. So let's just do this so we stay. Making sure I don't cut anything but the paper. All right. Oh, wow. Get on camera here. Stay home, stay crafty. It's a bag. I love these bags. I'm currently using the last one I got right now. It's holding the Elvis blanket. Oh, wow. It's a 4mm hook. If you can see, it's kind of flat a little bit. I don't think I've ever had a hook that short. That's kind of cool. This is gorgeous. Can you see them all? Oh my goodness, look at those colors. Wow. Those are pretty. And they're really soft. Those are pretty. That is the purple. This is like a beige. The pink. The yellow. The green. Oh, it doesn't look green on there though. It's like a mint green. Oh, there you can kind of see it. The lighting in here is kind of washing it out. And white. And the teal. Oh, it looks like a light baby blue. It's actually a teal. Oh, there you can see it. And peach. Those are really, really pretty. And these are 100-gram balls. So, and honestly, with a new grandbaby on the way, mine will probably be made into a baby blanket. So, I am excited. Very, very nice, Sarah Jane. Thank you very much. So, that is our, let me see if I do it this way. Stay at home, stay crafty bumper box from Crochet Society. And I love that bag. Well, that is our bumper box May Stay at Home, Stay Crafty Crochet Society unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you again soon. Bye. Stay joyful, stay crafty in your own way, and go make your own joyful creations.